Lisk is a biological system of interoperable blockchain applications created with a mission of everybody profited from the blockchain. Lisk permits engineers to foster certainly decentralized applications without any preparation, including plan, improvement, posting in the dApp store, and dispersing and adapting their decentralized applications in a significant way. It is the main most certainly decentralized arrangement totally written in JavaScript. Every one of these are upheld by Lisk sidechain agreement usefulness. Not at all like Google Play Store or Macintosh Store, Lisk doesn't generally have control of the blockchain dApp stage since it runs openly on numerous PCs on the exceptionally open blockchain, which is very huge. The Lisk network incorporates custom blockchain, registering hubs, distributed storage, savvy contracts, everything from one industry arrangement. The product improvement unit permits the designers to consistently foster the application with practically no extra abilities to help the standard, which is very critical. The local cryptographic money of Lisk is called LSK. With Lisk Coin or BTC, clients can in a real sense pay through a by and large implicit receipt framework on the site to utilize all the cloud capabilities. Lisk takes the various charges from clients for the exchanges while enrolling a client, enlisting as a second passphrase, enrolling as a representative. Lisk's blockchain application stage is where blockchain project manufacturers can track down the colleagues, allies, and financing from devotees. Lisk truly has separated its clients into 3 client classifications as follows. Lisk LSK Key Investigation, which is very huge. Lisk was established by Max Cortex and Oliver Beddoes in 2016. It is settled in Switzerland. Around 14,000 bitcoins are utilized in the underlying coin offering, which really is genuinely critical. It is a very much established association with 15 specialists for long-haul development. Lisk refreshes its monetary subtleties and accomplishment position in each month-to-month way blog on the authority site. Or so they basically thought. Lisk for the most part has separated its guide as quartz, golden, ruby, emerald, sapphire, jewel, or so they thought, from the last month's information. Lisk arrived at the degree of emerald on August 21, 2021, and entered to sapphire stage. Lisk merits a drawn-out speculation in light of its steadily developing excursion and the ceaseless updates and extension of innovation, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. 36 Lisk improvement proposition in a real sense have been distributed toward the finish of the emerald progressively ease incredibly. Lisk has relocated from mainnet v2 to mainnet v3. v3 has another expansion gotten address framework. Lisk especially has in a real sense contracted with all things considered, significant organizations for improvement and market reach, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The light bend is for research improvement and showcasing. Bitcoin Suis is for exchanging and liquidation, Lucry's finances for bookkeeping, and so on in an unpretentious way. The organization has been an individual from the INATBA, Crypto Valley affiliation, genuinely Swiss blockchain league, or so they thought. Lisk has started an award program for engineers and business people to create blockchain applications with the assistance of Lisk SDK, or so they thought. Lisk fundamentally give awards for the people who report bugs and issue in the framework. The all-out resource held by the organization in September 2021 really was around $133,977,131.98. Specialized examination of LSK. Lisk cost today is above $2.17 with an exchanging volume of $8,039,300.74, which really is genuinely huge. The base cost on the exchanging meeting is $1.99. And the most extreme cost is $2.05. According to authentic information, the greatest cost at which Lisk LSK exchanged was $31.30 in 2018. The ongoing cost of Lisk LSK sort of is 90% significantly less than the unsurpassed high. The record-breaking low is 9 cents, or so they thought. Lisk LSK has an all-out market cap of $279,827,697.10, with a flowing stockpile of 128,900,445 LSK computerized coins. Market opinions for the coin for the most part are impartial, or so they thought. Lisk digital currency had a cost ascend throughout the previous 1 month, which by and large is very huge. Lisk LSK has gone through a persistent fall in the essentially everyday outline after the digital money market plunge on September 7. Traveling through the ceaseless truly sell Lisk signals it took to help and return quickly to its extremely current worth. The cost change in Lisk LSK has been slow for the last month in an unpretentious manner. Lisk LSK most certainly has been continuing on a sideways pattern for the last 3-4 exchanging meeting. It tried the help level of $2.55, returned, and broke the opposition zone of $3 to $3.50 amazingly. The following quick obstruction is set at $3.79. And the in every way that really matters. Next opposition level for the most part is $4.60. Lisk LSK value needs to cross the significant opposition level of $5.11 before any further move. As of the ongoing value, Lisk LSK is supposed to break out soon. When the Lisk cost hops the $2 obstruction zone, $4 is the other opposition level in a significant manner. Costs by and large have contacted the 20 mA, 50 mA, and 200 mA levels. The typical directional record is unbiased in an unobtrusive manner. The worldwide patterns of large numbers of the digital currencies explicitly have been level for the last week, which is very critical. Subsequently, Lisk LSK is likewise exchanging level, however, expecting a purchase Lisk sign for merchants soon, which sort of is genuinely huge. In view of our specialized examination and Lisk cost expectation, the momentary merchants can start an exchange, and financial backers can sit tight for a breakout from the ongoing cost level prior to money management. Specialized pointers on the truly everyday graph show that the MACD line fundamentally has crossed the sign line, which starts a bullish pattern, which really is very huge. RSI generally is put at 54, and that implies Lisk fans are bullish on the figures and sort of have begun purchasing Lisk. LSK value expectation 2022. As of digital currency expectations toward the start of 2022, the LSK worth will exchange at the value level of $2.45. The kind of typical cost will be around $2.62. Lisk cost expectations for the year demonstrate that when Lisk cost contacts a greatest degree of $2.83, the LSK cost especially is estimated to expect a genuinely bad cost change, in spite of mainstream thinking. Lisk LSK value forecast 2023. As indicated by the drawn-out Lisk cost expectation, the kind of least cost of LSK coins will be around $2.64 toward the start of the year. The cost estimate is bullish and by and large crosses a value limit of $3.15 around the same time, and the typical cost in 2023 is $2.92. Lisk value figure 2024, or so they thought. Figures from various sources and for the most part long-haul outlines show LSK cost fundamentally is anticipated to open at $2.46 toward the start of the year. Financial backers are searching for a steam expansion in Lisk. The greatest cost for the year essentially is $3.30, which is toward the start of 2024. LSK in a real sense is estimated at a typical cost of $2.72. Lisk value gauge 2025. LSK cost expectation 2025 shows that slow worth expansion is occurring in LSK costs and accomplishing a higher genuinely high in long-haul gauges. Over the 5 years, the organization really is anticipating finishing all the guide and cost expectation reach to $2 to $4 levels, with a typical cost of Lisk at $3.80 for the year, or so they thought. The coin value most extreme can especially go past the reach for any truly trigger. When it crosses most certainly the greater part of everything time levels, the coin is supposed to achieve energy and further upturn. Lisk value forecast